The Bernina 790 has two parts of the tutorial area once you are in the embroidery side of this machine. So let's go ahead and first touch the little picture of the book, where this will be giving you some basic understandings of some techniques or threading. But look, we have embroidery techniques and embroidery in general. So if you can't remember some things about stabilizers or hoops or how to attach the embroidery module, you can come into each of these and kind of be guided through the steps as you go. Remember, the knobs on the side will be what you can use to scroll down, and you can also touch and drag your finger on screen. Go ahead and touch the X to go back out, but you can come back in. Embroidery techniques also get you into other things like cut work or fringe or trapunto, and giving you some basic information of preparing your fabric for that particular technique. If we want to go back, you can touch the arrow here. We also will find that we can go into the creative consultant. Well, when you're in the embroidery side, your pictures here are a little different. So I can tell that this one's more quilting, this one's more cut work. Again, use your question mark. Touch a letter. So if we're looking at some of the puffy fonts, this is something that is going to give you some suggestions on how to go about doing those. Again, lots of different techniques in here. If you've never done freestanding lace, here is a quick write-up of what you're going to need to know. So just know that they're between the dress form and the book or your onboard manual. You've got lots of information right at your fingertips, especially if you don't know what to call them. You can easily just kind of look around and explore different things that are right there on screen.